In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to a shape in Canva. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can give your designs more depth and a professional, polished look using simple shadow effects. First, open your Canva design in the editor, either a new design or one you're already working on. Once you're inside the editor, click on the shape you want to add a shadow to. This could be a circle, a rectangle, an icon, or any other shape you've added to your canvas. When the shape is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appears at the top of the screen. This toolbar is specific to the object you've clicked on. Look for the option labeled Effects and click it. As soon as you do, a panel will open on the left side of your screen, showing you all the effects you can apply to that shape. Now it's time to choose the shadow style. In this effects panel, you'll see several shadow options, commonly in the form of drop, glow, or echo. For this example, we'll use the drop shadow because it gives a classic, subtle 3D effect. However, feel free to experiment with glow or echo if you want something more stylized or creative. Click on drop and you'll see that your shape immediately gets a shadow behind it. Next, you can customize how that shadow looks. Right in the same panel, you should see options to adjust the shadow color. Click the color swatch beside the word color. This opens up a color picker where you can choose a different tone that complements your design. A darker color will usually create a more realistic shadow, while colored shadows can add a fun, modern touch. Below the color controls, you'll find more settings to refine your shadow: direction, offset, blur, and transparency. Direction changes where the shadow falls around your shape, as if the light source is moving. Offset controls how far away the shadow sits from the shape. Blur makes the edges of the shadow softer or sharper, depending on the style you want. Transparency adjusts how strong or subtle the shadow appears. As you make each adjustment, keep an eye on your canvas and see how the shape changes in real time. Take a moment to tweak each setting until the shadow fits the overall mood and layout of your design. Once you're happy with the look, you're done. You've successfully added and customized a shadow on a shape in Canva.